How to insert logo in Word document. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial. And on today's video, we will see how we can insert logo in Word document. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up the Word document where you want to insert your logo. Now, once you have opened up your Word document, navigate to this menu bar at the top of this interface. From here, navigate to top left corner and click on Insert. Now you have multiple menus to choose from. Now, if you want to insert the logo, click on this pictures. Then go to your device or this device. Now you have to open up your logo from your device. After that, select your logo, then click on Insert. There you go. Now this logo has been inserted in your Word document. Now after that, go to Wrap Text and click on it. From here, choose In Front of Text. Now you can resize your logo according to your preference or according to the size that you want. Once done, now you can move your logo wherever you like to put it in your Word document. So you can move this wherever you like. And that's how you can simply add logo in your Word document. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.